Kind of hurts my head, man. All right, Brendo.
Yo.
Hey. Oh, he's smoking a cancer stick. Oh, that's the spliff stick. Even better.
Look at
that sunset over there. I heard it's your 2 years of dreads.
It is right around right now, actually.
Yeah.
2 years today. Let's just go with today.
And how's that going for you?
This guy's right here, birthday. This guy right here is
That's
his
the
birthday.
first one?
The rat tail, the ratty.
Oh,
And the rest have just followed suit.
nice. And what's your number one advice on growing dreads year after year?
Persistence. You might want to chop them off, you may want a new look, but if you've got the dreadication, as you say, then stick with it and let them fucking hang down.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah. Play on, player.
Nice.
But I mean, it has been interesting. As I started my dreadlock journey, once I started realizing I was going thinning on the top a bit, so I never had that luscious full head of fucking dreads, and mine kind of started from the bottom. Now we're here, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get a couple at the top, but all I need is a couple. As long as I can tie it in a bun and cover the that skin spot, then we're good to go.
Yeah.
But hey, I say, if you want them, just do it. It's not hard. Just fucking, you got to maintain it every day, though. You can't just not wash your hair and just leave it. You got to rip, twist and tear, and wash your hair, and they all might come out again. Then you got to do it all over again, because some might stay and some might go. But you got to keep on going, and it's an everlasting process. You don't just get them and leave them. It's always maintenance. And you should get haircuts with them too. Get a little trim up, get a little fade up. You know what I mean?
What's the back look like? Sick.
What? You know, little two babies at the top here? These ones mean the most to me.
Yeah, that's dope. All right, cool, man.
And what I've been doing too, I do this. I'll take like the front two and just kind of cross them over. Bridge that shit. You know? Take the next two. Bridge that shit. Just fucking tie them up, and it looks like kind of like a braid up on the top, you know. But more importantly, it covers the spot and just keeps it look a little more maintained, and looks like it did something instead of just rolling out, and it's tied back a bit and covered where I want, and you know, innovative and just make it happen. Let it happen.
Way to do it.
You see what I say?
Yeah.
The thing going on.
Should we just keep getting more light up things for in here?
You know, I could do.
It's not working now. Oh, okay. Yeah. Batteries, though.
I don't know how long it's gonna last for, but I mean, that's cool.
Yeah, it's sick. Let's get out of here. Got everything? Yeah, I gave you a lot of stuff. That's it. Felt like I was bringing a lot.
Cereal, man. It's literally like 5 boxes of fucking cereal.
That should last you.
Well, you know what? That will honestly last me probably the whole year. And I barely make cereal.
Film. Yeah, skating is fun, just pulling them out 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
I think it would get one of those fucking scooters, those motorized. And bring a backpack. I can only imagine trying to balance something on the handles right now.
Yeah, I know. That's what you'd be trying to do.
That's for sure disaster. But I see so many people in those things. can't even get up there. Look at this. Who's ordering? What's the match?
Alright, night's done. We're heading back. It was a great adventure. I think we had a pretty good night ahead of us there. Always good to see Big Bro. And we just kicked it. Now I'm just driving home. I'm gonna go work on this footage and see how it turned out. Always interested to see how I can do point of view video and photo. Yeah. See you guys next time.